is our first airplane ride.
And I have nothing downloaded. I have nothing to do.
You download? I'll download you something on your phone. Wait, right next
Did you download that
playlist?
playlist? You downloaded that Taylor Swift playlist, right?
Oh, it didn't let me.
What?
Then I don't sort of
Noah, what are we doing?
Riding Spirit Airlines.
What do we love about it?
I don't know.
Bub, what are we going to ride on?
Spirit Airlines.
How safe is it?
It's like a 50% chance of us dying, crashing.
Hey Jude, where are we going?
We're on a plane and we're gonna crash.
Why are you saying that out loud? Where are we going though?
You excited?
I don't know.
This is
Hawaii or something?
Dunn Family Fun's first airplane ride. As a family.
Airlines.
First. Hudson, where are we going to?
Oda.
There we go, someone new.
Aha, we beat you.
We're going to Miami, Florida.
That's the night.
Jude said we're going to Hawaii.
That's the night.
Miami, Florida.
Where are we riding?
Mommy.
Where are we flying?
Are you so excited?
Look, they have those letters that reflect off the bus.
All right, Ab.
There's letters in the glass.
What?
I'm scared I'm gonna drop my phone.
I'm just scared about him to sit by.
You gotta sit by him, Taylor.
Why, Abby?
Yeah.
Why? Are you scared?
I always said who we have to sit by.
First airplane ride. No, but put what down? I know.
I feel like slide or something.
P, are you riding an airplane?
Yeah.
Around you, please keep your seatbelt fastened at all times while you are seated. There are emergency exits located in the front, mid-cabin, and back of this aircraft. All exits are clearly marked with exit signs. Directions for opening are equipped with the evacuation slides. Overhead signs and outside lane lead to all exits. Over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, fasten the buckle,